What if you could be active in the market with a professional managing your trades while you're still learning how to trade yourself? That's not a fantasy, that's copy trading. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Welcome back, guys. This is the copy trading video, and I want to do it properly, not a quick mention in the middle of a CRT walkthrough. A full beginner's guide, what copy trading actually is, how to find the right provider, what the stats mean, what to watch out for, and how to get set up. Everything I'm going to show you is inside PU Prime. I'll share my screen and walk through the whole thing live. Copy trading means your account automatically mirrors the trades of a professional signal provider in real time. When they open a trade, it opens on your account proportionally. When they close it, yours closes too. You don't make any decisions. The provider does. You choose who to copy and how much to allocate. That's it. And the key thing, on PU Prime, you can see every single trade a provider has actually taken before you copy them. This isn't blind trust, right? It's a fully transparent track record that you vet yourself. So just looking at the actual dashboard, you can see that they've got a recommendation list, they've got a rank list, okay? But what we're going to look at is the recommendations. So the recommendations, you've got your top traders, right? So return over 1 year, you've got 49.68% with a win rate of 71%. The risk is 5. Now, the lower the risk is obviously the lower the risk. The higher the risk, then obviously it's riskier. Now, risk 5, I believe it goes up to 8. So risk 5 is sitting on the higher end of the riskiness, right? And if you look at risk 2, that's sort of where I want to be, okay? So you've obviously got your top traders. Then you've got the highest annual return. So these are strategies with the highest return for the past 12 months. So that's a pretty outrageous sum. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. Obviously, low risk and stable return. So if you want to be a bit cautious with your money, then, strategies with the risk band lower than 6 and return higher than 50%. So that's quite a good one to get into if you wanted to. And then obviously you've got the high win rate. Now, this is normally something I look for because I like a high win rate. It's just easier on the psychology. So we'll jump into someone. Now, this little person here with the plus sign, this is how many people are attached to the copy trader. So if we have a look at Marco, basically you can start understanding how he performs. So total trades that he's taken is 14, and he mostly trades cryptocurrency, right? So 11 trades on crypto, 3 on indices. So he trades Bitcoin with a percentage of 78% is how many trades he's taken on out of 100. The win rate is 100, and the win rate is 100 on NAS as well. So you can see the active copiers in the last 7 days. So he's got over 1,000 active copiers, and he's only lost 1 in the last 7 days. You can see active since the 4th of December 2025. He settles weekly. Average holding time is 244 hours. Trades per week is 1. Profitable weeks 0.2. So if you look at his monthly, okay, so when he started, you know, he was down 5%, then the next month he was up 105%, then down 7%, then up 17%, then up 163% to 90%. So you can see that he is a good trader in himself. So this would not be a bad one to copy. But also if you look at the drawdown, because this is going to be relatively important. So his daily drawdown is 3.5%. His monthly drawdown is 47.48%. So this is his maximum that he's ever done. So if we wanted to sign up with this guy, you need to bear in mind that your drawdown could go to that. So you need to make sure that you cover that. Okay. So if you look up here, obviously the risk is set at 5. So, you know, 10 being high risk, this is 5. So it's sitting bang smack in the middle. The profit sharing is 20%. So you keep 80, he takes 20. It's only fair. He's doing all the work. So if I wanted to copy him, I just click copy and then the copy mode, right? So equivalent use margin. The volume of a trade copied onto the copier's account is based on the margin level. Fixed lots is the volume of a trade copied onto the copier's account is identical to the preset value. And then fixed multiples. The volume of a trade copied onto the copier's account is identical to the preset multiples of the original order side. So we're just going to use the equivalent used margin. So, you know, if I'm only putting $100 into this, it means that, you know, for the size of my account, I'm risking sort of the same percentage. So if I want to invest in this, I'm going to chuck $50 into this. And then obviously bearing in mind the maximum drawdown that he had of 47, I'll probably go 60, right? Because he might come a little bit further. I don't know, but he comes out in profit. So I'm just covering if he has one of those months. You can also set the take profit to where you want. You've got your lot roundup, and then obviously you can copy open trades. Once you're happy, you just click submit, and that will attach our money to this guy. Submit successful. Okay, so we're now attached to marker. And now what you can see here is the different ones we're attached to. So last week I attached to professional traders, you know, it's down $6. VIP C Cup team, that's up $9. So you can see that I'm up on what I've put in so far, which is obviously great, but it's early days. You know, you've seen that with a lot of these guys, it does take its time. So, you know, I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see how we get on. Now, the thing I would flag for anyone new to this, right? A high win rate on its own tells you almost nothing. A provider with 90% win rate and a 50% drawdown is a lot riskier than someone with 60% win rate and 8% drawdown. You know, so always look at both together and always check, you know, how old the track record is. Newer providers with short histories and perfect stats haven't been tested yet. But ultimately, this comes down to your decision, what you want to risk, who you want to back, and, you know, are you happy to put that much into someone you're asking to make trades for you. Copy trading done right isn't passive guessing. It's choosing the right professional, you know, vetting their track record properly and letting your capital work while you put in the screen time alongside it. So the next video, I'm taking you through a real trade I took, the full CRT process from narrative to entry, using a recent winner. You'll see exactly how the session timing played into it as well. The PU Prime link is in the description. See you on the next one.